Dear viewers, welcome to our Home Cart Genie Fashion channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of easy healthy snack ideas. It might seem easiest to reach for convenience foods or head to a vending machine, but don't let a sneaky snack attack derail your health and fitness goals. Snacks can be healthy. Nutritious choices can also help you feel energized throughout the whole day. A little bit of meal prep goes a long way, and there are lots of recipes you can make ahead of time so you've got healthy snacks on the go. Whether you're a sweet tooth or prefer to keep it savory, I've got you covered. You'll discover some of my favorite easy healthy snack recipes. They're ideal for sharing too. However, a lot of snacks can be high in saturated fat, sugar and salt, and offer little nutritional value. Don't let your snacks derail your progress towards your health and fitness goals. It might be helpful to think of your morning snacks as a way to meet your daily nutritional needs, adding an extra serving of fruit, vegetables or grains. Different types of easy healthy snack designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.